Hello everyone. Welcome back to the another episode of the Codersarts in the Project Idea series of AI-based application development projects. In this, we are going to discuss the idea about the revolutionizing the cybersecurity with that AI-powered threat detections. So, we are going to name this a demo name of the project is known as the Secure AI. So, let's move to the introduction part. So in introduction, we are seeing presenting the secure AI and advanced AI-based cybersecurity are designed to enhance the digital security by automating the threats detection and addressing the complex cybersecurity challenges. We are going to make an application which can be used to enhance the digital security by using the automation process and threat detection by addressing the complex cybersecurity challenges as well. So, by leveraging machine learning and secure AI provide the robust protection against the wide range of the cybersecurity threats and ensuring the security of the organizational data and the infrastructure as well. Let's move to the problem statement. What the problem we are facing? So, in organization, sometimes the organization faces the significant challenges in managing the cybersecurity due to the sheer volumes of data. So, diverse attack to the vector and need for a real-time threat detection. Manual threat detection and the responses are not scalable and often fail to detect the sophisticated attack, leading to the potential data breaches and the financial losses as well. So, as we know that the importance of the data privacy and the security things, like there is a lot of company that providing these things as well. So in this, we are going to create a demo application of cyber security and going to provide the solution. So what is the solution we are going to provide is here. Basically, Secure AI utilize the AI machine learning to automate the threat detection. So we are going to use the AI and machine learning APIs, which we can create by using the Codersarts and other applications as well. So if you have any other models, so you wanted to integrate in your application, so we can do it as well. So we are going to secure the AI utilizes and AI machine learning automate their threat detection, providing the real-time protection against the cyber threats. So by performing the regression and clustering classification task, Secure can identify the pattern, detect the anomaly, and classify the threats, ensuring the comprehensive security for the organizations. So what are the key feature that we are going to build is here. So automate the threat detection using AI algorithm. As I say, we are going to use the AI algorithm to continuously monitor and detect the potential threat in real time. So we can go to automated the threat detection, anomaly detection, identify the unusual pattern of the behavior, maybe indicate the security breach. So third is the threat classification. So classify the detected threat into categories such as the malware, phishing, and DDoS, denial of service attack, and DOS, and attached to the appropriate responses. So we are going to fourthly we are going to regression analysis and predict the future threat based on the historical data and the trend, enabling the proactive security measures and clustering the analysis. So groups the similar threats that identify to migrate the scale attack pattern, incident responses to the automation, and automate the response to the detected threat, reducing the response time and migrating to the damages. Seventh one, we are going to do a mass data processing things as well. So these are things we are going to provide in these features. So let's move to the. So if you have any idea like this, so you can just drop a mail on the contact@codersarts.com. So thank you for your support. Thank you.